And happy Wednesday. Hope you are enjoying this early taste of summer in Michigan. Today, I am briefly reviewing the three main reasons that people buy life insurance, especially on the individual side. There are other good reasons why business people do this or businesses themselves do this, but I'm focusing today especially on the three main reasons people buy life insurance and introducing something called the 2% solution. So if you've not heard of the 2% solution, then please listen in and I will share this with you briefly. Three main reasons people get life insurance. First and foremost is to ensure our paycheck for our family for X number of years. This is the least we can do once we decide to embrace a domestic partner or have a child. Part of our job as adults is to make sure that our paycheck gets insured in case, God forbid, we pass before our paycheck. We're ready for our paycheck to be gone for those people. Second main reason is to pay off major debts like mortgage or in some cases vehicles, maybe even large credit card debts and student loans. Much like protecting our paycheck for our loved ones, the last thing we want to do as we're forging a life, building a life, buying homes, buying cars, going to school so that we can create this life, the last thing we want to do is to incur that debt and then pass suddenly and turn that debt all over to the people we leave behind. That often forces families to have to make very, very hard decisions like, do we have to now sell this house that we just bought and move the kids to another school district and another home? So that's the second reason. And then the third main reason that people embrace a life insurance program is that it's part of a proven program for retirement planning that includes permanent life insurance that builds a cash value to be used later in life for retirement, for fun, for major expenses later in life, or for long-term care. So income replacement, paying off major debts, and part of a proven program for retirement planning. Those are the three main reasons. People like me who are licensed insurance counselors, our part of our job is to help people determine how much coverage makes sense for each of those three areas. And that's something that we can get into. But today I want to present us with the 2% solution. And a great rule of thumb is take your income, so get this number in your head or put it in a calculator, multiply it by 2% or 0.02. Whatever that number is, that's how much money the 2% solution calls for devoting to your life insurance program. Again, what part of that number that you just came up with, your income times 0.02, whatever that number is, I can help you figure out how much makes sense for protecting your paycheck, how much makes sense for paying off major debts, how much makes sense for retirement planning. That's a whole separate exercise. But getting our heads wrapped around devoting 2% of our income to this vital part of our adult life, that's my message for you today. I am Wayne Haney, local licensed insurance counselor, 248-464-5219 at haneyfarmbureau.com and located in the heart of beautiful downtown Lake Orion. Please stay safe. Talk to you next week.